Guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome here if you are new. My name is Cassandra and I do all types of mommy lifestyle videos, cleaning, just a whole bunch of motivation and some fun stuff, usually on Saturdays, which this Saturday I did not post because unfortunately we had really bad storms in the area and our power was out for a few days, so it just didn't come up. But I promise I will be doing that video, which was the part 2 of my wedding series, which was Registry 101. So if you want to see the first one, which was my wedding tag and my wedding slideshow, I'll put that in a card and in the description box below. So coming up, I will be doing, like I said, a wedding series. So if you guys have any questions about weddings or any advice you might want, anything like that, please leave it below. That way I can do some videos and answer some of your questions. And we're gonna get to cleaning, and this took me 2 days actually, so yeah, there was a lot going on. Like I said, my power went out, so yeah, enjoy the video and I'll pop back in soon. Alright, so now we're finally going to clean up this donut grow up balloon garland that I made for my daughter's birthday. Now I know one of my subscribers, her daughter, really wanted us to step on these balloons, but I tried so hard. They would not pop. They were like the best balloons. They're super durable. But I tried. My daughter, she's so small. She's only 33 pounds and she tried so hard and they just would not pop. So I had to cut them all up and it took forever. This video, I think I sped it up like 800 times because this took me like 20 minutes to get rid of all the balloons, and I tried so hard not to make like a super loud noise because my dog really freaks out. So if we were going to stomp on them, I was going to put them outside, but I felt so bad. So yeah, we finally took down her birthday party decorations because next week's video is going to be a summer clean and decorate with me. So if you want to know how I am decorating our house for summertime, make sure you're subscribed and click the bell notifications and notify all, because I didn't know if you know, but apparently now subscribing and clicking the bell is not good enough. You have to actually change it to all for them to actually notify you. It's just crazy, but I figured I would mention that. So yeah, let's finish cleaning in here and I'll talk to you guys again. so now we are moving into Adriana's room. It is the next day, and I am just trying to clean up all of her stuffed animals and all of the random little toys that are everywhere. There will be a playroom clean and declutter coming up because she, in our spare bedroom right now, we have a 4-bedroom house, so it's our bedroom, our daughter's bedroom, and the other bedroom is my office, and then the 4th bedroom we have as her playroom right now, and it is just stuffed to the max with toys everywhere, and like she hardly ever plays with a lot of them, so I definitely want to go through those. So that video will be coming up hopefully within this month anyway. So if you want to make sure to see that, hit that red subscribe button and keep an eye out. When cleaning your kids' rooms or their playrooms, do you ever just find random things? In that little Tyke's shed, there were all these play foods and her play stethoscope in there. And then in that Nike box, there was just other random little like plastic foods and stuff. It was pretty funny. Does anyone else notice that Adriana has goggles on and she's trying to vacuum? She came in and said, "Mommy, I'm gonna help you." She's so cute. And guys, does anyone else always forget to clean their fans? So I cleaned this fan in Adriana's room, and I also did our bedroom next, but this one was not as bad. Her fan usually isn't on. Our fan in our bedroom is on all the time. And then after I did the fan, I just vacuumed. Do you see how bad our fan is? I even had to like vacuum on top of the blades. On Adriana's room, it was not that bad whatsoever. I was just shocked. So this is your reminder, do go clean your fan. Alright guys, I hope this video gave you a lot of motivation in a little amount of time. Let me know below what you guys got done today, and I hope you have a great week. Bye.